Hey, welcome back to the channel. Another rainy day in Southern California. Don't know what's going on with this weather, but just got back from the post office and picked up my Epsilon wing extension. So going to be installing that today. I saw this product actually from another Kona and owner who went in for test fitment into Epsilon. So shout out to Bruno up in the NorCal area of California. So definitely part of the California fam. I'll drop a video of what it's gonna look like or what his car looked like, and definitely go follow him on Instagram. Install seems pretty straightforward. I will have to drill into the wing, so that's a little scary in terms of making sure everything's lined up, but you know what they say is measure 1,000 times and cut 1,000 times, right? No, I'm just kidding. No, it should be pretty straightforward, so let's see how it turns out. Somebody must not be a fan of wing extensions at the post office. Why is this all beat up? Well, hopefully it's not damaged. Let's take a look inside and see. So this is the part where I tell you I'm not an expert on installing parts like this, but this is a list of tools that I use throughout the install, and this is just how I did it and what I use. So Epsilon does have a Google Doc instruction as well as reference videos that I'll link in the description below. And again, I'm 100% certain there's a better way to do this, but I hope this helps anyone looking to install this wing as a reference. And with that said, this is how the install went. All right, moment of truth.
Hey, what's up? So just got done with the install of the Epsilon spoiler extension. I thought it came out great. Whew, hold on, let me catch my breath. The install was pretty smooth. I would say my tip would be to take your time. Definitely tape up the spoiler just to prevent any scratches and whatnot. Also, if you have a friend that can help, that would go a long way. There's a few times where I had to juggle holding some of the screws as well as tightening at the same time. But yeah, I love how it came out. I love the look of it. Like I said in the intro, it just makes the car look more aggressive on the back end, especially paired with the Flow Designs lip kit and rear diffuser. If you haven't seen that video, check it out in the link below, or I'll plug it here at the top. You can kind of see the install of how that went. But pairing the two together just feels like it completes the kit. Yeah, it looks dope. I don't know what to say. Maybe what I would have done before installing is probably paint the little aluminum brackets that come with the extension. They come in silver, aluminum looking, and it sort of contrasts the wing, which gives it a cool look, but I was thinking of maybe painting in those a little bit of a gloss black to match the spoiler. Also the hardware, you know, in the back, you can kind of see the silver screws, and thinking maybe I can swap those out to titanium, to like a nice colored titanium, or just like black and simple, just to kind of make it a clean look. Shout out again to Bruno. He was the test fit vehicle and made sure that install was smooth. Fitment was awesome on this product. It's pretty well lined up. Shout out to Epsilon Aero for creating the product, really high quality. I'll drop a link in the description where you can buy this product, and hope to see more on the Kona ends if you like this kind of thing. So hope you like this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and oh, also forgot to mention, I did want to shout out or mention we had reached 1,000 subscribers now. So thank you guys for following this journey. I've had the car for almost over a year now, and the amount of progress and people I've met and community and people asking me or telling me like that they were looking to buy this car after seeing some of the videos or posts on Instagram. So it means a lot to me. I'm just grateful that we've made it this far, and hope I can provide more content in the future. And we'll see how far the platform takes me, especially since I don't know if you saw the news that they're no longer creating a 2024 version as of yet, end version of the Kona. So we'll see what the future holds. And, you know, if anything, we'll continue to build the channel, trying to get more people on the channel. Yeah, more to come in the future. Again, thank you, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.